Hey everyone, welcome to part 5 of the HTML Pro series of tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do PHP contact form submission. I'm going to be showing you how to implement it into the HTML templates that we've already got, and I'm also going to be showing you a demonstration of how the contact form works. You can download the PHP scripts required in this by going to the link in the description bar, which is down below. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we've got our files, but we've also got a new one now. We've got contact.php. So I'm going to open this up in Dreamweaver. This is the PHP script which I've typed up. So this is what you can download in the description bar below. I'm going to run you through it. Okay, so it starts off with email to. This is where we are going to send the email address. As you can see, this is the email address that's going to receive it. As you can see, it's already on mine, but you can type in whatever your email address is. So me@myhost.com. But for now, I'm going to leave it as mine so I can show you a demonstration later. So edsjohnson@gmail.com. This is the email subject. Obviously you can change that again to whatever you want. So this is the subject. You don't have to put ... at the end. I just do that with subjects for email. I just do because I'm sad. And then we come on to function died. Now this is the error. This is the error messages that are going to be displayed if something goes wrong with the contact form. You don't really need to change any of this at the moment. I'm just going to explain it. Basically it's displaying error, the syntax, the PHP syntax for error, which we're going to go on and create later on. But it's going to be displaying everything like that, and it's going to be echoing it to you guys if there's an error appearing. So this is the validation. So this is basically checking that everything is all here. So the name, the email, and the comments. And it's just checking that it's going to post all of them successfully. And again, died. So if something went wrong, there was an issue with posting those three bits of data, I suppose. Then we come on to the 3 bits of data that we want to post. So name, email from, and comments. All 3 of them are required because it links back. So if they're not there, here are the error messages that we got. So if there's an error message with the email address, so email from, it'll say the email address you entered does not appear to be valid, so there's something wrong with that. Again, with the name you entered does not appear to be valid, and again with the comments. And it's saying if that's happening, go back to died, which is where it displays the error at the top of the page. A bit below, we've got the email message. Sorry, the email message. So the details, and this is if it's good. If it's all good, this is what it's going to send. It's going to send the email message with the name, the email, and the comments, and it's got a line break between each one of them. So that's what's going to appear in the email message in the email message sent to us. And lastly, we've got create email headers. So this is basically creating the headers for the email. So the subject, the email message, where it's sending from, who it's sending to. So that's all good. We're going to save that now, and we're going to minimize this, and we're going to go and we're going back to our contact form which we created last time. So open with Dreamweaver. Now I've changed this slightly since the last video tutorial. As you can see here, I'm going to make it a bit wider so you can see it more clearly. Here is our email form that we created. So name, email, and message. On the code I've changed it slightly. So in the message text area it now says name equals comments. This is really important that you add this, guys. And obviously the name is email, and then the name is name for the other 2 inputs. But it's really important you change that because it matches up with the PHP scripts that we've got. So that is our email. Now we can, below the PHP scripts, we can actually add content. So this is what's going to appear if the PHP script goes to plan and everything goes okay. So basically we're starting from scratch because the PHP is above the HTML programming that we've got, the HTML script. So we're just entering our HTML script, so body, center, we're going to centrally align whatever text we want to appear. So your message was sent successfully. You can put, your message was sent even. So you can put whatever you want in here below the PHP, any HTML that you want. And we're going to save that now. So we've now got all of our content. That's all fine. We are now going to upload it onto the internet because unfortunately PHP is not supported on a computer. I'm going to quickly go back to the contact page. Sorry, I've forgotten something. Right, the action for the form. It was mail to. we're now doing it through PHP, so we're just simply linking it to contact.php, so the PHP script page. So we're going to save that now, and we're going to upload it onto my file through an FTP onto my website. So we're going to upload all the files for the website. Now, PHP does not run on a computer unless you've got PHP installed, so I'm simply running it off through the internet through a host. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and I'm going to give you a demonstration now of the website of the form in action. So edsjohnson.com/tutorials/index.html. So as you can see, our website is now being displayed. That's all appearing. You can go onto that link and it will still work now. I'm not going to take it down. So we've got a contact form. I'm going to quickly fill this in for you guys. So you've got the name, you've got the email, so I'm just going to enter in info@javamp3.com. That's another email running through one of my websites. Does this contact form work? I press send, and it went to contact.php, and it says your message was sent successfully. Brilliant. So if we go into gmail.com, we'll see if it really has sent. I'm going to quickly log in into my login and password for Google Mail, and it's loading. I've got 2 new messages. I've got one from Louis Taylor on Facebook. Thanks for that, Louis. And then I've got the message, the contact form message. It has sent successfully. So contact form, we're going to open this up now, and you'll see it's got the name, the email, and the comment. So that's all working really well. That's perfect. That's exactly what I entered, and it has sent, and it says form details below. That's exactly what we wanted. So that's all running perfectly. That's brilliant. So if we go back, obviously that's all working fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget you can download the PHP script in the link in the description bar below. Please don't forget to rate, comment, favourite, and of course subscribe. Bye for now.